We're going to use the number 12 and the number 21. 21 being the magnitude and below. That's the max. The first comet in Virgo, we have 2025 R2 Swan. The second comet, 2025 K1 Atlas, Virgo. Soon to be in Virgo in the next couple days. 3i Atlas is right here, right by the foot of Virgo. I consider this one in Virgo, but we're still at 3. We got 88P How in Virgo. That's 4. 2023 S1, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to consider this one 11 and this one right here 12 next to each other. Remember, they were over here and this one's moving. 3i Atlas is moving into Spica, going towards Spica, and pretty soon we'll have Swan and 3i together. So there's your 12 in my book. The next constellation, there's a whole bunch. It's the scale of justice, and Leo being the third, all under 21 magnitude and under, basically 12, and I haven't even counted this and Leo. So there's is the data on this. What does it mean? Speed, according to the sky, 65.6, now at 283 million miles from the sun. The current location of 3i Atlas, basically now inside the 10-year line of the orbital plane of Mars. So there it is. I don't know what to make of it. 12 gates, 12 angels, the deposit number 12 apostles, 12, 21. Just thought I'd put that out there. Food for thought. Now, I could have kept going on, 22 magnitude, 23 magnitude, found some more, but I used the 21 as a cutoff. So that's what we have in Virgo. And then we, on top of that, we have planets coming together in Virgo.